The Razer Kitsune Arcade Controller replaces the traditional joystick with dedicated directional buttons, giving fighting game players extremely clean and consistent inputs. Its low-profile optical switches feel smooth, yet very quick to actuate, which helps with tight links, whiff punishes, and precise defensive reactions. The slim, flat chassis is easy to fit into a backpack, and the detachable USB Type-C cable makes it much more convenient to travel with to locals or majors. A built-in cable lock and tournament lock switch help prevent accidental pauses or disconnects, which is a big plus for serious competitive play. The removable metal top panel makes it simple to customize the controller with personal artwork or skins, letting players match their setup to their main character or team colors. Per-key lighting, powered by Razer's software, allows detailed color and effect tuning, so the controller can look as sharp as it performs on both PlayStation 5 and personal computer.